In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Outlook to its default settings. Sometimes, after numerous tweaks and customizations, you might find yourself wanting to return Outlook to its original setup, erasing all those adjustments that might no longer serve your needs or simply clutter your workspace. Here's how you can do just that. To start, make sure you have Microsoft Outlook open and ready. This is the software that helps manage your emails, calendar, contacts, and tasks all in one place. It's a vital tool for organization, so ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently for your needs is crucial. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find several tabs. Click on the View tab. This tab provides various layout and display settings to personalize your Outlook experience. Next, locate the three dots, often referred to as an ellipsis, at the far right of the menu bar. Clicking on these dots reveals additional options, capturing those settings that might not fit in the main menu. When you click on the ellipsis, you're going to select Customize from the drop-down menu. This option allows you to alter and tailor everything from toolbars to ribbon shortcuts, a crucial step in configuring Outlook to suit individual preferences. After selecting Customize, a new window should now open up on your screen. It's in this window where we can make the changes necessary to reset Outlook to its default settings. As you navigate through this window, search for the option that reads Reset All Changes. This is often found towards the bottom of the window. By clicking on Reset All Changes, you're instructing Outlook to discard all your custom settings, reverting back to the standard setup. Before you complete this step, it's important to ensure this is the action you want to take, as it cannot be undone. Resetting will remove all custom changes. Things like personalized quick access toolbars, color themes, or any other specific arrangement will be lost. Once you're confident about resetting, go ahead and press this option. After selecting Reset All Changes, don't forget to hit the Save button to confirm your selection and apply the default settings. And there you have it. You've successfully reset Microsoft Outlook to its default state. This can often give a fresh start, making it easier to reorganize and streamline your email management. If you need to customize certain aspects again, you can always do so step by step as you become familiar with new features or settings. With Outlook back at its baseline setup, you can now focus on using it without any lingering, possibly unwanted changes hanging around. Remember, regular maintenance and familiarization will ensure that Outlook remains a powerful tool in your day-to-day activities. Thanks for watching.